Welcome back to today's video. Today is December 9th, and we're going to be opening up our door number 9, see what hot sauce is in there. Okay, here is sauce number 9. Ho ho ho. Red chili garlic hot sauce. And on the side it says, a recipe collected in the swamps of Louisiana. This sauce incorporates the bold flavors of garlic and red chilies to add a wonderful richness to your favorite foods. Alright, that smells pretty good. It does have a kind of a Cajun-y smell to it. That's definitely a unique flavor. It does have a Cajun taste to it. It does have a little heat to it, and it has a very unique flavor. It is kind of a Cajun flavor to it, and it tastes very good. Alright, let's check out the back of the box and look at the ingredients. Alright, here is the ingredients to number 9. It says Cajun pepper melody, cayenne peppers, salt, distilled vinegar, high fructose corn syrup, salt, garlic, and xanthan gum. I need to get one more spoonful. I wish I had this when I did my crawfish boil. Alright, thanks for watching. Join me tomorrow. We're going to do door number 10.